In today's episode, we're going to kind of a unique dual motor electric RC car back during the brushed days. It's an EMAXX Traxxas, and we're going to go ahead and go through and see what we can find, what's wrong with it and what's not. This is another untested car, and it was sold as parts. Let's see what happens. That's a lot of fluff for the remote control. There we go. Looks like a... Remember, right, this is an old EMAXX. Ooh, it's dirty. Lots of sand.
Be right back.
I didn't tell her.
Yeah, it's been doing that. Whoa. What goes forward, it goes backwards. It turns. I can't get it to shift. Oh wait, yeah, I did. It shifted. Whoa. It tends to jump. I don't know why it jumps like that. Something's wrong. Either way, it works. Now just to clean it. It does look like it's unfortunately had a bad enough hit to break whatever was supposed to be up here in the front. And I don't know what that is. It's unfortunate. Oh, it's got lights. Did the lights come on? Let me try to turn this on. Yeah, look, it's got blue lights. All right. Let's take these batteries out and start cleaning. I'm going to do some quick brushing to remove a lot of this sand. And I think I'll try to take these motors off first. Yeah, I'll take these motors off first. And then there's the central differential is inside there too. So I'm going to take these motors off. I'll clean them out with the motor cleaning spray, and I'm going to have to go through and try to clean all the sand off from here. All right, let's do that. All right, we went ahead and got the front cover off so we can take a look at the gears. The gears look pretty, excuse me. The gears look pretty clean. I don't see any wear. Nothing extra. There's a little bit of, oop, there we go. There's a little bit of debris. I'll blow that off. Now, it looks like this is supposed to be dry operation. I might add a small film of grease to it just to have it. Well, it looks like it's a dry operation differential. All right, I pulled the motors off. I had to take the gear off the front. They look pretty filthy, but that's why I have the spray to clean them with. At least there's no corrosion. Well, there's a little bit of corrosion. All right.
That's a risk we're gonna have to take.
Killing my daughter with an arrow? No, it's not. She got the message from the truck. Or that. The plan's there.
So you make plans that fail.
He also plays the game.
Oh, they're not relative. I'm indispensable.
Well, none of the plans we've tried to take down Forge have worked. We dared to question how we came to power, so he declared us enemies.
And I gathered some pickleberries.
I was making yoga.
All right, I finally got that. Finally got the differential taken apart. Actually, looks like it still has some of the original grease in it, that green grease. It's not too horrible inside. I'm going to go ahead and add grease to it still. Close it back up. But it looks pretty good. I don't think I'll open up the back differential or the central one. I don't hear any grinding when I spin the tires, so they should be fine. And I found that the front shock tower is broken. Where is it? Right there. Oh, it's the rear shock tower. Whatever, one of the shock towers is broken. So I'm going to grease up this differential. And I'll think about doing the rest of the differentials. We'll see. Okay, I got it all put back together. I ran the wires on either side for the motor. Wrapped it back up with the twisty that it had. And this is... And right there, that's with a broken tower. I'll see if I can find one online. I think they still make these. I don't think they make them in the twin motor anymore. They make them brushless. Hopefully this tower is still the same. So we got the EMAXX. We broke down the front differential and greased it. The other two, I didn't take them down and grease them because everything seemed to be fine. There didn't seem to be a need to, so I didn't. The motors were cleaned up. We found a broken shock tower. The skid plates are pretty screwed up, so I ordered some metal skid plates, and I ordered a new bumper kit to try to fix everything. And so now we're just waiting on parts again, you know? It seems to be the theme. Waiting on parts, waiting for things to come in. So yeah, that's where the EMAXX is at. But, you know, the good thing about it is that it runs. It is jittery. It's really weird where it just wants to run on its own. I don't know if that's the controller or the ESC or what it is. But it works in its totality. It's just a broken shock tower that's really the biggest issue, and that's going to be fixed here pretty quickly. All right. That's all I have for this episode, so thanks a lot, and thanks for watching.